Yo, 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 yo. What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, YouTube? Good morning, good morning. We're getting on early. Getting after it early. That's right. That's right. Hello, hello, hello. What's going on, Team Bull? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Top of the day. It is 6:39 a.m. Mountain Time here in Colorado. What's up, Jose? Oh. How's everyone's morning been so far? It's bright and early. It is bright and early up in here. What's up, Momentum? Good morning, bro. I am early. It's game time. I am bright and early, ready to rock and roll today. And I'll just say it. I have been just locked. I've been locked all the way in on my fitness. It feels so damn good. We're going to catch 2 fat trades for a payout this week. Feel that. I'll do my best to be a part of that. To help you catch your fat trades. I can usually do a pretty good job at that. Hey, come on, YouTube, the bright and early crowd. Hit that like button, baby. All 14 of you guys here so far. It's so early. I never get on this early. I woke up earlier and I was like, I'll get on. Screw it. Said I'll get on. Passed 2 Apex evals yesterday. Used your code every time I buy one. 805. Thank you, bro. And thank you for being here for the stream. Patronize my art. What up, Amanda? Welcome. Good morning. Oh, baby, baby. I'm really starting to see the fruits of Fruits of the labor, the workouts I've been doing. What is my fitness goal? Honestly, I don't know. I don't really have a specific goal. Like some people get big, so or get in shape because they want a bodybuilder because they want to lose 20 pounds. Like I'm already in great shape. I just want to be healthier, feel better, be more athletic. And that's the bottom line for me is I want to live better, be healthier, be more athletic. My rough day's over yet. We'll find out. I hope so, but need a real nice win to bring us back to life. Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be nice? You blew 4 accounts last night. That's not DOD. Sir. That is not DOD. Unless you blew them and it was part of, I don't want to say part of the plan, but you managed your risk. And that's just part of the game. Good morning, Jdun. Good morning, Hobby. Team Bull Chat, why are you guys all quiet this morning? Where y'all at? Talk to me. How you guys doing today? I see you there, Jalapeno. You're always one of the first to say hi. What's up? Good morning, my bro. Morning, sir. Watching these Illinois, Indiana storms today should be nasty. Is there some big storms going on? Interesting with this hourly chart we have, because if you look at this last hourly candle, it's looking like a solid higher low, but I'm still bearish ultimately till we build above like 25,150. Let's look at this Tesla. Tesla's actually got some decent strength overnight. It's got some decent strength overnight. Nope. No. Seeing Grizzly said he was watching that 25,000 reject. I actually don't hate that level either. Up here for reject, maybe put like a 30-point stop, 40-point stop on it. From Oceanside, Cali. Or OC Cali. How much money can I start with? You can start with as little as, technically speaking, $20 if you have a prop account. And a live account, I usually tell people like 500 to 1,000. It's kind of varies in that number. Even if you have more, you shouldn't start with more. You got to earn your size. Got to earn your size. Hey, I appreciate all y'all hitting that follow button here on TikTok. I see some new faces. We got on earlier. I was wondering if there'd be some new. There'd be some new faces. If you guys want to take a futures trade with me today, I recommend you guys get an Apex account. That's 85% off using code Jdun, and they have end-of-day drawdown plans now, which is huge. Huge. Apex 2.0 is fire. Apex 2.0 is doing it right. Guys, it's March Madness is so close. So close. Let's have a team bowl tournament again. Bought 5 more yesterday with your code. That you'll have to email. That website's like 4 years old, my guy. That deal was old. E8. All right. As far as setups today and what I want to watch, our hourly time frame does have some room to the downside. If we can break this load on here at like 890, and specifically speaking, if we can break, let me go to this chart over here. You can see it a little more clearly on the hourly. No, not H. We don't want to trade H. Specifically, if we break through this whole channel of lows right here, I think we have room to test the bottom of this range of this aggressive news candle at like 700. I think we have room all the way down to here. That's what I would personally watch for, is that move down to 700. So I'd like to see. I'd love to see us go a bit higher, fail up here, and then start to make our way down. My objective today is I'd love just, in a perfect world, we got to move up a little higher. We make another lower high in here. And then we breach these lows right here and test the bottom of this this before we pump for that news about the war. That's the ideal situation. It doesn't always happen. But that's what I like. That's what I like to watch. On 50K eval, no consistency. Nope, only unfunded. I need Gene to bring my damn coffee. The news was Trump tweeted that the war could end very soon or something along those lines. So when he said the war could end soon, the market liked that. Which you know what that shows us? That is hilarious. Market manipulation at its finest. Yeah, some of those contracts went like 50,000%, like crazy numbers. Crazy, crazy, crazy numbers. What's the full broker site? No, Jace. No, the website is apextraderfunding.com. You can copy and paste this if you'd like. New pick. You want to try it. We're also going to do something new today at Market Open. We're going to do something new today at Market Open. I can't tell you. It's a surprise. We're going to do something new today at Market Open. Hey, Sam, welcome to the live. First time here. Hopefully first of many. You'll learn the DOD system, what it means to be disciplined over dopamine. You'll learn exactly how I trade. I'll do my best to help you develop your own trading strategy and trading confidence if that's what you want to do. Damn, Grizzly, that 25,000 reject hit literally through the dollar. Oh, weird. It didn't update on my thing. I updated to say 637. I started like 20 minutes ago. Guess we're gonna have to delete this and do new text. There we go. Bro said it ain't even 7 yet. Was good, Brandon. Jesus saves me over and over. I love that name. Yes, sir, did it at Jdun. Took 4 MNQ and closed it 2 at 20 points. Last 2 cons at 985. Let's go. If you know what's good for you, you'll give me a funded account. Yeah. I'll help find you a winning trade in a funded account. Best you're going to get from me. I think so, Beckmer. I actually have my broker up, my TOS. Oh, screw it. We'll throw in some QQQ next days. Or should we go crazy and go 0 days? No, we'll go next days. I mean, I don't care about price. I care about movement. Part of the reason why I prefer next days nowadays is they move a tad bit slower. So if you find yourself constantly getting wicked out, it's because your theta's moving insane on 0 days. And oftentimes when you have those aggressive moves, you'll move 20, 30, 40% with one candle. And that's really tough to manage and to try to set strategy with. Sup, Tyler? What's good, bro? It is 7 o'clock. Bright and early. Oh my gosh, SGA beat us. The Thunder have our number. So close. Am I on a losing streak? Not necessarily. I had a red week last week. $1,000, but you got to think on the flip side, the least amount of money I've made in any week so far in 2026 has been $5,000. I could have a red week. I could lose the same amount of money I did last week, the next 3 weeks of March, and still be red. Be red less than one single week I had in January or February. So, do I want that to happen? No. Is it possible? Yes. Am I going to do everything in my power to not let that happen? Yes. But do I always accept losing as an outcome in order to better my psychology and keep my expectations real? Yes. Did I notice the time change? Yesterday a little. But today not so much. I feel good. I feel great. I feel great. Does the time change affect the orb? Not really, no. We got 25 minutes, everybody. What are you trading? We'll be trading the NASDAQ today. Yeah, Grizzly, that 25,000 reject went. $30 points. Yeah, I do think we are looking bearish today, for sure. I don't love that last hourly candle, but I think it's definitely a possibility. Definitely a possibility. Yeah, our bears need to step it up. These bears need to get some damn follow through to them. Was good. We started way early. YouTube live black, and yeah, we got. Come on, got to get everyone in. I'm trying some different start times. You know, shit. People will come. If they want to choose DOD, they'll come. We'll choose DOD and we'll run it back together. No. Damn, that 25,000 reject was it. That went. This is all right. Let's see here. Let's bring some options done back, huh? It's possible. It's possible, baby. Got my electrolytes in, got the food all in. I think one massive focus and value add that I've done is adding breakfast to my life. Hmm, 800, 825. And good morning, everyone who's tapping in every day. Love seeing your familiar faces in chat. Top of the morning, everybody. Top of the day. We got about 21 minutes till open, everybody. Longs today. I mean, I guess it's possible, but I'd love to see a nice short trend come about. You have such a big platform. I wish you'd let me teach you how to trade. Yeah, bro. Have a nice trading day, my friend. I'll be praying for you that you make lots of money. My neighbor's house got hit with lightning. That's crazy. That is wild, Chris. Neighbor's house with lightning is bananas. How'd everyone sleep last night? You guys all coming in focused today and ready? Terrible. Well, your neighbor's house got hit by lightning. I don't doubt that you probably got woken up. Still on the job. Damn, Tony, I see you. I need a new pillow or something for side sleeper. Yep, that makes sense. I'm a side sleeper too. Trading on the Xbox today is crazy. Little win in Asia, nice. Gene had a rough Asia. Been in the office for an hour already. All right. Bro got up bright and early. I see you. Here's the thing is I'd like to see with this recent downtrend pre-market. This is not pre-recorded. Nope. Not pre-recorded. False. I'd love to see this continue down. The problem is, if you go to our daily chart, we're right back in this zone. And look at this daily, everybody. We're literally right back in this garbage range now. Yep. So we'll see. Yeah, it's messy. It's the last week's been a little tougher for me to trade. So we'll see. I didn't take a trade yesterday. I had two setups that I almost took that I was less than 10 points away from taking, but didn't quite confirm. The daily range is frustrating for sure. Today is Tuesday, right? Tuesday. Guess what that means? I'm doing chest today. I switched it up. I did shoulders. Shoulders yesterday, or shoulders on Sunday, so I did back yesterday, which means I'm doing chest today. What's up, bro? How's it going? I've joined your Telegram. I don't have a Telegram. You joined someone else's, not mine. You join J_Dun_trades 24967s. Not mine. Grizzly, that 25,000 reject did all right. Hit like 25K and went down 40 points. Precise only. What's going on? Oh, I was saying that your 25,000 reject did well. I was talking about the message in chat, T-Go chat. Precise only. Okay, just making sure. Yeah, I was just messing around on voice about Telegram. Oh, okay. Make sure no one's getting scammed. I said I don't have Telegram. It's already rainy here. I don't know if we have more storms coming or not. I haven't looked. But the 25,000 T-Cool. I know I didn't get to call it out, but I put it in the live trading chat. Yeah, would have been a solid like 1-to-1 trade. Great. Yeah, I made some money. Take it. $346 to be exact. Good morning to everybody. Let's go. We got 13 more minutes till open. And all of GD's scenarios have QQQ going up first. Why you gotta do me like that, GD? Come on. Why you gotta do me like that, bro? Come on. Can't we just get one nice short move up and then just die?
This one's one good full-size trade.
What do you say, Grizzly Glock?
I just want one good full-size trade today.
That's all we need.
I've been hesitant to put on full size.
Me too.
I'm gonna have to. I'm not gonna make that much trading this year. I have to step it up. Been a solid year, but I haven't been trading full size often.
Jdun, we should. Dragon's doing just fine.
Pre-markets, if we can get to actual trend move.
I need my coffee.
Coffee in hand.
I need my coffee real bad.
Let's be flagging right here. Full flagging. No. I still have a level on watch. What, 10 minutes or so before market open, but you can see it on my screen. You can blow that Asia low of 24,830. If we do push down, that'll be the area I'll watch for a bounce. A couple 25,000 reject pre-market. I made 300 something off of. I'm already out.
Straight of 8 time. Let's go. If I enter, I absolutely will. Call it out live. You got it. Where's our point of control at, Grizzly?
Right now it's way up to like 25,139. But I change it when the market opens.
Oh, I see it. It's the in the blue on your chart.
What previous did? Way down there.
Can you send me well, I need to get your Grizzology so I can use it.
I can just add you.
Just give you my email.
I just need your trading view username. I can just grant you access. Unless you want to join the actual vault side of it. Point of control is the house volume for Captain. On the time frame I'm on, that's how I use it. I've seen a couple different ways to use it, but I like I use it basically like volume based support resistance. Keep it simple.
Grizzly, I texted you. Right.
look at my phone.
Oh, bet. Cool. All right, guys. We got 7 more minutes till open. 7 more minutes till open. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, choose DOD. Let's find ourselves a nice trade. No. All right. I need to get a nice trade in these tradeifys too. Huh. I am locked in. Oh! Jdun still trust levels manually. What a boomer. Big time boomer. The biggest boomer. The boomer, ba-boom. Oh, yeah. Bears or Bulls today? I'm going to say, I mean, you guys know which way I want to see. But we'll play either way. Bullish up, bearish down. We need a nice, solid 10K day. That might be coming from options. Give us a nice, humble Honda day. Wouldn't that just be great? Just catch a massive, massive move. Yeah, no, I don't choose bias. I'd like to see a nice trend entry, but I'll play either direction. Wouldn't that be great? Let's see if this can see all the way to the floor. Well, it can. All right, guys. We're doing something new today. Here's the deal. Every day before market open, it is proven that when you combine education with physical movement, you learn better. You retain more. So I'm going to need all y'all before market open right now to join me in doing 10 push-ups, 10, 15 push-ups. If you can't get in the ground, you can do jumping jacks. I want everyone moving their body before market open. Something we're going to be doing every single day. I want y'all getting ready and coming with Poppy Dunn to do some push-ups. You ready? Let's go. 1, 2. Full extension. 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Get up. Move your body. Do you want to change your state? You change your state. Let's go. Want to change your state? You change your state, like Tony Robbins says. Let's get it, baby. Give you a quick 50. Let's go, TB Ant. Did 20 diamonds just to show you up. Hey, you know what? I love that. Did 20. Okay. All right, you guys got your blood moving? Let's find ourselves a winner. Maybe that's the key. Wall push-ups. That's great. Get your blood moving. Choose DOD. Let's find a winner. Market is open, everybody. Let's get it. I'd love to see us come up and fail these highs and then work our way down. Or if we're going to get some sort of uptrend, on the daily chart, we're going to need a trend above like 25,200. That's what breaks us out of a lot of this range. Did I find a winner yesterday? I did not. A few winning ideas, but no winning execution. Just didn't quite get to my entry on 2 separate trades. Good morning, Diego. What's good, bro? Good morning, everybody. Let's get it, everybody. This is your reminder to choose DOD today. Follow your system, trade smart, trade safe, and make today a day that you make steps forward. You take steps forward in your trading and in your psychology, in your execution. Every single day you have a choice. You can get better or you can get worse. You're trading with me. I want you to get better. I'm personally waiting the first 15 minutes. I want to see how we react to this previous high area pre-market, and we will go from there. Sahil, you got it, bro. Shit. Gene's here. Hello. Hello. What's up, bro? Hello. Thank you, bro. Get your meal prep. I see you. Following in your boy's footsteps. It's confirmed. Pay done is in the building. Coffee secured. This is a really good sign for what I'd like to see today with this lower high. We'll see if it holds up these next 10 minutes or so. Yep, Gene is in the house. We're still above 25,000, but this candle's looking decent. There was a split second there. I was thinking about taking a trade as a short in this whole zone, but we were in the first 15 minutes, and it's very rare. I'm not going to say I never trade the first 15 minutes. It just doesn't happen often, or even slightly often. Good morning, everybody. I appreciate seeing all the familiar faces here. What's good, everybody? I appreciate seeing y'all here and you guys showing up every day to trade live with your boy. I do my absolute best to help you get to where you want to be. So a reminder, if you guys want to trade with me, you can use code Jdun on Apex. They're 85% off right now. What's up, Gene?
What up, dude?
You taking any trades today?
Man.
No, are you going to?
Yeah.
I don't know if you're gonna trade in New York.
Nueva York.
And they have end of day drawdown now too, which is great. Yep, which is fantastic. That's right. I gotta re-add my VWAP to my screen. Forgot about that. I didn't save. There's my baby. Color of Wappa. Color of Wappa. Still above. The blue line's all that matters. Volume weighted average price. It's a volume-based indicator. Now's the key to better act right. I don't use Bookmap currently. Not currently, I don't use Bookmap. I have, but I don't use it currently. Brandon does. Brandon loves it. Brandon loves his book map. I think it's a good tool. I just haven't been using it. It's definitely can be good for. Sorry, what, Grizzly?
We're trading. What are we trading?
It's a good question. The 1 minute's very back and forth. I was tempted to look for shorts, but we're still riding above 25,000. Still riding above that 25,000. So I'm just waiting. Don't give us. You got to remember, guys, too. Take a peek at this daily chart. This is ES. Take a peek at this daily chart in the Nasdaq. Tell me that's just ugly. Look at that. Big Bertha's not looking pretty in that picture right there. You would think from this last daily candle, we'd want to see a breakout here to the upside. We've just been stuck in this range. Not pretty. What the hell was that? We also have CPI tomorrow as well. Come on, let me beat. 5 minute time frame. Yep. All right, let's see. This could give us a good setup here. We lose 25,000. That's my main watch. It's my main watch. Pre-market low is down here. Thanks, bro. We got 45 minutes. What's up, Gerardo? Gerardo's in the TikTok. The photographer. What the hell is this candle? What is that? It's literally been the story of this market. It's just literally massive whipsaw candles. Massive whipsaw candles. Now we're right back in the middle of the range. Right in the 50% of that range too. You want to get anxiety, go just pull up the trade of 8 1 minute or like 30-second chart. The 10-second chart's bananas.
It's a trade. I was gonna watch for shorts, but we wigged down. We right back up and closed a strong volume on that previous 5 minute. And we closed above point of control.
I actually thought about for a second long at 25,000. I just want to catch a nice trend move. So wicks up and wicks down. Just something that I noticed back testing that could be of use. I used VWAP for a long time. I used it for a really long time in my trading. After I've read or whatnot, I'm always going to look back and see what I could have done better. What is that? We have CPI tomorrow as well. So if you guys have been looking to pass an eval, wink, wink, tomorrow's the day. Get yourself an Apex 50K. It's a one-day pass. Tomorrow's the best day of the month to pass them on CPI. Why waste a week or two in your eval when you can just rip it on CPI? Just saying. Just saying. Yo, while we're waiting, guys, I appreciate y'all liking this live. If you're on TikTok, make sure you tap that screen over and over. Let's get them likes over 10K. And on YouTube, I know y'all got more than that in you guys. Come on. 188 likes for 1,300 people. Y'all got more than that in you. Come on. Come on, money team. Appreciate y'all hitting that like button. Y'all are the best. There we go. That's more like it. Evals, you don't got to be DOD. Not fully. Too much DOD on an eval is going to lead you to spending 3 weeks on it. Then you still got to go to funded and spend another 3 weeks on it. For 2 weeks. I think Apex is 5 trading days now, if I'm not mistaken, with their new plans. Yep, it's 5 days instead of 8. And end of day drawdown. Pretty great. The team will just waiting. No clear direction. If we don't find an A+ setup I like, I will not trade again today. It'll be 2 days in a row of no trades. Hope that isn't the case. Good, Delaney. That's facts. Let's see what we have for... Let's see what we have for our news. We do have news at 10. We have existing home sales. Ugh. We have existing home sales. Man, I appreciate when y'all bring a friend to the live stream, especially to the YouTube. Especially to the YouTube. It's easier to bring a friend, but you suggest a friend to Team Bull, you suggest a friend to myself and DOD, you're doing your friend a favor. Maybe we'll bring a friend day soon. You want me to come on for CPI? You guys want me to come on for CPI tomorrow? What's the 50% retracement of this? We're still sitting above the 50% retracement and above 25,000. I'm not going to short this until we see some clear confirmation to the downside. So, just waiting. My homie and I have been in the live every morning since December from Germany. Lock-in mode, DODL. That's what's up. That is what's up for real. Yes, sir. Brando's still here. Yes, sir. Huh. See, look at this candle though. Aggressive move down, but where's the volume? Where are you at, volume? Looking for you. Where'd you go? Where'd you go, volume? Let's see. 050, 25,000. See, without volume, say that volume just isn't a thing. We close below VWAP, retest a VWAP, we retest 25,000. This looks like it wants to move down now. If you just look at it from a technical standpoint, minus volume. This volume just throws me off a little bit. Volume throws me off a tad bit.
We're almost out of this 15-minute range, finally. We got data coming up at 10.
Yep. You're mostly looking at direction, Kamal. I mean, you don't know how many buyers and sellers exactly, but if you have momentum to the downside, you want to continue that trend. Yep. Oh. Yep. We have 2 minutes till existing home sales data comes out. Come on. We might get a decent setup here, though, to the downside, guys. This would be one that I'd try.
Good volume so far.
Yep.
Got a little time on the candle, too. Hope it doesn't wick back up.
No in our luck. It probably will. We got 30 seconds left in this candle.
Waking up. Look at that thumbtail. Oh.
Definitely not us like a minute ago.
Market making us work for it. And it's dropping right now. And Kendall closed back in top of 15-minute range.
Right there. Got it, Jdun. Or Gene. We getting this, Gene? Y'all like that? I knew some of y'all would catch that. Had to beat out Tradezilla. Oh my gosh. What is that candle? Where have the retracements been?
Good question.
Where have the retracements been? And now, if we go back up with this wick down to 920 and test up here, how are you supposed to short that enormous wick up? Gold be acting and fully out.
Yeah.
Like, how am I supposed to short this candle? No way. No way. I appreciate y'all being here on TikTok too. Make sure if you haven't already, you tap in, hit that follow button, and smash that like. Tap that screen. Get them fingers moving. Comedian, that's my boy. Though you guys know how I feel about ICT. ICT is I don't like the word scam, but it's definitely makes things more complicated than trading needs to be. Put it that way. Nip kiss, keep it simple, stupid. That's right. In my drop top. Oh, goodness. All right, guys, let's get it.
What is this, man?
I don't know. Not how I like to trade.
It's like, let me just mess with Griffith as much as possible this week. Let's see what the delta is on this.
Grizzly, I was messing with Brandon in chat like you were.
I didn't even read or even reply. He probably said something horrible to me.
So funny. It's all jokes. All fun. All fun.
Pretty good thing I have positive delta.
How much? You can't short that. No way. No way I'm shorting that. My code does work for multiple accounts. Yep, on Apex.
You can't short that candle.
All right, let's see. I'm trying to. Oh, whoa. Old Yeller. The only potential reject I see is in here, but after that previous 5-minute candle, very risky. You just have to have your stops above. Let's see, a 20, probably above like 55. What a terrible line. Above like right here. Doesn't look like we may get it though. We'll see. The only reject I see is up there, but it doesn't look like we may get it. We touched 25,000 again. Still, he touched actually right up at VWAP. That's what I noticed a lot last week. Is when I was doing my back testing, is we were respecting VWAP more on trends. So that's why I added it, and I wanted to watch it more in real time. I used to use it every day for years. That, and I also used to use EMAs quite a bit. Gene still uses EMAs, don't you? I don't think they're bad. You just have to ultimately still price action's king. They can just be a nice confluence. All right. Well, looks like that's going to be a rejection here, which is good. Maybe we can watch for the next wick up if we can get confirmation on this candle down. Maybe that'll do it finally, as long as we don't test this pre-market low first. Pay done is here. Just staying patient. Patient done. Even without the volume, I don't hate an idea of a pushback up with stops above like 25,000. If we get a strong candle close here, granted we don't take out this pre-market low first, which we may do. I don't hate the idea of a pushback up to like 950, 960 with stops above like 25,000 for shorts. Candle structure looks good. Levels look good. Oh, don't take out pre-market low. We have 20 more seconds on this candle. We're going to take it out, which is going to invalidate it, which is going to be very frustrating. I do like the idea of shorts up here still. Even without this higher volume, I like the idea up here. I think it's worth a try up at like 950, 960 with stops above like 25,000. Do we get it? I don't know, but I do think it's worth a try.
$940 to $960 area.
Yep.
Short.
Me too.
$940 to $960. Much safer entry at $960 though.
I like it too.
Work strategy, will it pull back or is it just going to do what it's done? What's it been doing?
I don't mind 940 either. A little earlier entry, and a lot more risk, but we just haven't gotten those retracements lately. So we might not get it again. It's interesting how the market shifted and just stopped giving those deeper retracements.
How's options today? Are they jacked?
I have them on my option chain. Let's see. The next, dang it. Next days were like, let's QQQ out. A little bit. Oh yeah, next days are like at the money like $500 a piece. Yeah, they're expensive.
Rip up to a reject.
It literally touched 940 for a split second.
Yeah, because it happens quick. I didn't even see it happen.
I don't love that we touched that pre-market low. I'm still watching. I'm still open. I seen it on Tradeovate happen real fast. Way too fast to get an entry, even if you took that. Wanted something very high risk. I'd prefer to see 950 to 960, but do we get it? We'll see.
Full size trade.
Got up touch 940 again. Still would like to see us move more into that zone. Towards 950, 960. Stops at like 25,000.
quit playing.
I have not taken a trade yet. Nope. Got real close. Come on. No. Don't die yet. This 1 minute is not looking promising. This 1 minute's not looking great. Oh, no, don't do it.
Awesome. He is about to become
On the naughty list.
naughty list.
Oh my gosh, so close. So close to that retracement area. Look at that. 942 to 949, 950.
NQ, if you can hear me, the amount of taxes I have to pay, I need you to cooperate.
Wow. I don't like that we just swept that pre-market low either. I don't like that at all.
Did we sweep it?
Like just touched it. Like
It showing it touched on my trading view. Or trading view.
you got like a touch below, like by a point, and then ripped up. No trade yet, guys.
What I'm saying, Daniel, what is this trickery?
I'm still open to like 950, 960, but I don't love that we touched that pre-market low first. That's a little frustrating for sure. No, pre-market low, how I calculate it is down like 893 area.
I still don't watch the 50, 60s area, but sometimes we just rip up fast and we push up to VWAP around 86. I like that area better.
When it comes to hygiene, I use the whiz. Say whiz. Come say hi. Step hygiene.
You know.
Is this the Asia King?
Yeah, not anymore. I lost my crown. Literally, Asia has been super hard to trade. Like New York has been super hard to trade. It's just not. It's not agreeing. It's not listening.
Not respecting technical.
Nope. NQ's being bad. I've sized down though. I've had bigger stops, but I sized down a lot. I've only been trading like 3 micros.
Hello. Hello. What am I missing? Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at this 5-minute candle though. 48.
High volume.
It's a really tough candle to short. High volume, 5-minute wick, pre-market low test.
I'm still gonna watch VWAP up here in the
Yeah, I'm still watching up here too. I have not entered anything, guys. I have not entered yet. Let's see.
Alright, see. Try some shorts up here, everyone. Right sides, I may add if we get the VWAP. That's why I left room to leave a little room to add at 80s. Stops have to be above the 24,999. 24,999. I'm an even Q short.
Tried a piece of shorts too, everybody. I'll ride with you.
I'm a little over half size right now.
Tried shorts as well up here, everybody. I am not full size. I'm not going full size today. I'm going to go.
Yeah. They just ripped straight up to my stop and one I haven't added.
I haven't added either. Only area I like for lower high is up here in the 70s.
It'd be crazy. We can even hit pre-market low on my chart. I'd be surprised if we push back up to pre-market high here from that down. I would be very surprised.
I lost my mind. I hope this candle doesn't get high volume. I did try the shorts lightly up here, everybody. Did try them.
Still in as of now. Trying his best to get me.
I have my stops at 25,010. I put them a little wider since I have less size. Knowing my luck lately, we're going to move, wick up, and then die. So we'll see. We'll see.
Risking basically my profit from pre-market. I'll be a little red if it hits it. It hits my stop.
This is not looking good on the 1-minute chart. I'll tell you that right now. Looks okay on the 5-minute. I mean, if we're going to find a lower high, it's going to be in this whole zone. I just hope we don't push aggressively back up and then wick and die. Touch VWAP, 50% retracement. Trend has clearly been down.
You all don't like to set up you can get out of entry?
Yep.
Win or lose.
Back at entry area down here.
You're oversized, take some off here.
This isn't a green 2-bar quite yet. If we had higher volume here, I'd probably just close it early.
The VIX is working against us here.
The what?
The VIX. Yep, I'm out. Jesus.
I'm still in. 25,010.
I'm out.
Keeping my risk around 800. Oh, it's gonna. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's about to stop me out. Again, dude. And kept it small. My goodness, guys. 880. That is so damn annoying. Another loss. 880. That makes, if I technically didn't take another trade, that'd be 1,800 in the last 2 weeks. No new trades yet. This market's just not respecting my strategy, not respecting anything that I've been doing. Am I Coach Grizzly? Do I need to retire?
You have to.
Yeah, no new shorts for me, guys. We could reject. I swear, if we reject this area right here and then die, I'm actually done.
If this is respecting point of control, there's nothing we can do. Just hit it. Glad I didn't add my full position. Smart move.
Well, I swear, if it rips up here and just dies, dude, I'm done. What am I done with? I don't know, but I'm done. I'm done with something.
I think with all the big earnings out of the way, we'd have a little better. I mean, we still got some things going on, but
If we get a bearish candle here, I have one more watch. If we can close below 25,000, I'll try short seeing when it stops above like 25,025. My only other watch is if this candle confirms to the downside in the 5 minute, I'll try it again. But if not, I'm not trying it.
that was literally the only setup I like until we get to the bounce, unfortunately.
I think on the next trade I take, I'm just gonna shoot for 1-to-1. Going back to scalping. 20, 30 points. That's all I'm gonna look for. 20, 30 points on the dub. Does that mean this is yup? Yes. Okay, good. 529, 511.
Are the options changed? Not working? What's going on?
Dun, dun. Oh, option chain is working, I think. Kept it small, less than full size, but still just freaking annoying. I just want one nice full size win. Kept it DOD, which I'm satisfied with, but not satisfied with. Watch this just freaking rip down now. No new trades unless it confirms. Hang out.
They're saying TOS is showing the wrong mountain options. Be careful, everyone.
Huh. I guess I'm not comparing it. My TOS. Oh, wait. Yeah, the bid's higher than the ask. There is something wrong with the options chain. Yeah. The bid is higher than the ask, so something is messed up. The options chain is confirmed and messed up. Cannot trade options on TOS right now if you guys are trading options. Nope, no new trades, guys. No new trades. No new trades. We close this candle above 25,000. No new trades. Maybe like one upside entry. I just don't do well. Like when you look at our daily chart, how it is, and we have had no clear direction. It's okay if you're trading pure supply and demand, but as far as trend trading, look at this. It's terrible. Just no trend. We'll see. Maybe we get a 2-bar to the upside. Gene, I quit.
I quit too.
It's all right. Kept it.
Go be cops.
Go be cops. We can. Kept it small, but geez Louise. I don't actually quit. One good full-size win will be back in action. One nice full-size win. We'll be back. We'll be back in action, baby. We'll be all right. I'm glad at least that we kept moving up. If we just died, I'd be a little salty. You stopped 25,010, only to go up to 25,030 and then die would be a little frustrating. All right. On the bright side, my trade if I select counts are still cooking. On the bright side, I'm really, really careful with those though. Where did my, okay, here we go. With my trade if I select accounts, I'm really, really careful with the trades. And I only trade like 2 micros per account when I do. Yeah, they're great. The select accounts with daily payouts are great. They're sitting at like 25,500 on the 2 funded ones I have, so eligible for daily payout. Yeah, no shorts up here, guys. No shorts for me. The only watch I had was this VWAP down here. This retracement area with stops above this high, and we touched the high, so got out. Now maybe there's a world where we build above this 15-minute high or build above pre-market highs a ways away. Be real careful shorting. If we lose 25,000 again, maybe, but for now, the market's looking like it wants to make a V-shaped recovery. The option chain is still broken, guys. The bids are higher than the ask. Let me see if that's just on the indices or if it's on Tesla too. Let's see. No, the Tesla looks fine. Maybe it's just on the indices. Seen one nice, held, solid winning trade. Don't know. Where's the volume on this candle? I think it may just be the QQQ options. They're definitely messed up. So the bid's at 642 and the ask is at $5. You know, prep? This market's frustrating me. Seen one nice solid winner. Dun, 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 dun. Yep. Oh yeah, Daydreamer. They won't give you your money back, bro. If you're stuck in a trade and there's option chain problems, you will not get your money back. I promise. I've dealt with it before. Back in the day, I lost like six grand due to an issue like that. They won't give you your money back. You're cooked. They say, sorry, it's exchange problem, not our fault. We're keeping it DOD. Keeping our risk intact. Yeah, you won't get your money back if you're stuck in a trade and your option chain isn't working. I promise. They will not give you your money. Yeah, this hasn't been my market, guys. It's been a rough last 7 trading days. But like I've said if you followed me for years now, no one's immune to losing, so I just keep it small.
I don't see anything else I like. You see anything else, Jdun? You buy T4?
Not really. Sorry, I was just thinking.
Tough market this week, huh?
Maybe an uptrend entry. Oh, goodness. Well, my live account is crying, but my Tradeify select fundeds are still very much so pretty. So you like that. You got any of those Tradeify fundeds, Grizzly? You try those with the daily payouts?
No, I haven't tried them yet.
I got 2 of them.
I've got funded accounts. I just haven't been trading them. I'm trying to make a bag on the first time.
I got 2 of them that are technically live accounts. Not live, but they can get daily payouts. They're up over the buffer, so been really fun. I've only been trading like two or 3 micros per account on that account. I've had them for like a month. It's just taking me a bit. Yep, guys, I'm cooked.
I get back in profits from this morning. The only thing I'm making money on this week is the options center.
I'm gonna start doing that too.
That's steady. If you look at T4's where I post options, we've had a solid start to the year. It's solid. Not a ton of trades yet, but. Start taking the trades, you can just post in there with me.
It's one of the best ways that people that have big bankroll make money. It takes some capital to do. How much do you keep in your option selling account?
How much I keep?
Yeah.
I've got a small one. My big one's about 6 figures. But
Yeah.
small one.
Most of the people I know that sell options for a living have 6-figure plus accounts.
long as you have $1,000 in your account right now, you can at least sell one with me. Just have to have enough collateral to cover 100 shares of whatever you're selling on.
Where's the volume on this candle?
If it gets over 100 again, I'm selling all the silver. I'm selling my daughter's silver.
Honey, get back your silver. Dad's selling it.
Well, she told me I could. I just didn't last time. Then it sold back off.
Your QQQ put is stuck. How can you get out? You're likely cooked. I'm just being very, very honest with you.
I promise you, if you all can survive this market, the easy market will be back. And we'll capitalize. We just got to manage our risk really well until then.
Just no even on these slight pullbacks, no deep retracements.
Lowering volume too.
No retracement, no deep retracements. Or deep retracement and then too deep, stop out, and then move. Yeah, you guys want to see me lately? I'll show you. I'll show you my trading the last few days. All right, here's me. This is me trading the last few days. This is my stop losses. Ready to take a trade? All right. Put it on. Jeez Louise. 38, 75. I just put the clown mask on if you were wondering. What's up, Gene?
What's up, dude?
No, just was wanting a retracement again. Didn't get it. See if this gives some volume confirmation. Yeah, one more minute. We might.
I'm going to go ahead and add you to Grisology 1
Do it. Maybe that's the trick. Could be. What's up, dog?
What's up, dude?
We don't have a real deep retracement to the upside for it's like 25,000.
being your invite only now, Jdun. You have any levels like overlap when you turn them on? If you look beside of them in the settings, they'll have where you can change, like put like 10 and then move it to the right. It doesn't overlap.
How do I add all the levels?
Just right in the settings, right on Grisology. Next to where it says Grisology, go to the settings, you'll see inputs, whatever you want.
Oh. Oh, that's kind of dope.
Got a London session.
Damn, that's fun. Current pure running control, and this is good. You got BWAP on here too?
Yeah. Only one that's on there. I should have some EMAs, I guess. But... Well, the orb has confirmed to the upside. Dang. You trade the orb this way, everyone.
I've seen that. It's just an odd candle.
Not much risk here, though. It's much worth the risk.
I actually like Grisology a lot. Looks good.
Yeah.
We're above that point of controls at 25,025.
So we're right in this supply. The only reason I'm not going to try it, everyone. I started to, but I know better. I didn't try it. Jdun has a link in the Discord for you all. If you...
Oh, what? This, I didn't realize this wasn't even on. My dogs are tripping.
I'm just going to take my dog for a walk and call it a morning.
Yeah, that's not like a bad idea. I'll be around for like 40 more minutes, 30 more minutes. Oh, Grisology marks the supply zones too, huh?
Yeah, I like to keep, in the settings, I like to keep the allow overlapping zones checked. You also can adjust your orb settings. It does it shows the orb. Well, you can make it the 15-minute range or 30-minute range. You can switch it to breakout or retest for the confirmation.
Holding above the 15-minute high. Looks like she wants to continue up. We'll see.
So divergence. Bearish divergence inside of supply.
Oh, staying DOD, not forcing anything, just waiting.
The work to the upside worked, but just pushing in supply, but I didn't take it. Company's code.
The orb's working out. We shouldn't have. Telling you, as the volume, the 5-minute candle volume just has not been hitting like it was a few weeks ago. It's been on a little cold streak. Sorry, we stay adaptable. Keep it managed during times where market's being slower. Yeah, the option chain looks like it's fixed too. On QQQ options, it looks better. The biggest thing you guys can do, whether you're up today or down, is to manage your risk. Stay focused. Right now, I'm only really looking for upside at this point. We're above 50-minute high. We're at a touch of pre-market low, and then move up. So now we look for upside entries. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Bro never updated though. What are you talking about? Oh, my screen 0 for 1. I did forget to update the TikTok. Yep. 1 L on the day. 0 for 1. 0 for 1. The losing streak has for now continued. It's all right. We keep it managed. We don't tilt. Why is this not updating? Text. Like that. There we go. Where's our pre-market high at? 155. I just broke off my oven door. I'm gonna be honest, bro. I've had some bad trades in my life. not laughing. Not once have I ever been like, I lost that trade. Damn it! I'm gonna go rip my oven door off.
Wasn't anything else available to
That's what I'm saying. Bro went straight for the oven.
expensive, man?
I mean, I put a hole in the wall years back. Poor oven. What'd that oven do? It wasn't even in the office.
That oven. I'm telling you all, the only way to cure a red meat is to eat your body weight in sushi. This is what you gotta do. It cures it all. You don't even think about it anymore. Or steak, yeah. Either or.
The orb worked. We just didn't have confirming volume. And then the volume candle that we did confirm, technically actually was valid. It wasn't 50%.
Coming up on lowering volume. John's favorite time of day.
Yeah, something like that.
We may have to, until this market changes, we may have to wait to take trades once we get below or above pre-market high low.
Yeah, or trade supply and demand. Supply and demand's been hit. We've been going like rejecting off supply and then bouncing off demand. That's why Brandon was doing so well. He's on that heater because it was a lot of just supply and demand. Like Brandon don't like trend days.
Trend days are where the money is, though.
I know. I agree. Long term, that's how you're gonna win. That's why I always say I don't care about how I do in a day or like a week or even a month. I could have a red month. Don't matter to me. As long as I keep it managed. If you go off the deep end and go on tilt and blow yourself up, well then that's a different story. But not
On trend days, you can catch a nice entry based off supply and demand and take it to the next zone. Well, Team Bull,
you out of here?
yeah, break even day for me based on a little red, but flat week so far. No trades yesterday. Had a winner pre-market, loser, and the lot. Maybe we'll make some money this week.
Oh.
I'm gonna make you host, Jdun.
All right. Yeah, Nuckbuck said, "Damn, I was 250 away from trade if I pay out. Now $500 away. This may be my first day losing on it." Yep, just step away. Lock yourself out. Now Tradeovate has manual lockout. So if your top right corner X doesn't work, use Tradeovate's manual lockout. You just can't let yourself blow up. That's the key. What is this accordion market? Literally accordion market. Oh, whoops. Yep, you can't undo all your progress. You can take steps back. But you don't want to undo all the progress you've been making in your P&L. There's that pre-market high test. Let's see how this goes. All right. There's a little volume confirmation here. There's a little hope. Oh, we're chilling. Maybe we get an upside entry here. The daily, you know what I'd love? I'd be red for the rest of the damn month. Just giving me a damn red month at this point. If we can get a solid trend either way, if that's a trend to the upside, and we trend back up to that 26,200, great. I just want to trend. Give us some solid, specific trend moves. That's fine with me. Hourly chart looks bullish too. Look at that close. That is a bullish hourly candle if I've seen one, guys. That is definitely a bullish hourly candle if I've seen one. Making oatmeal. I see you. We might get another 2-bar here. My worry is that we get some sort of war news on a slight pullback and just die. That's the problem with war market driven headlines. I did take a trade earlier. Lost one. Tried to catch that lower high off of our 50% retracement and view op, and it got stopped out at just above 25,000. Well, and the thing is, the orb, I would have taken that 100%. We just didn't have the volume I wanted to see, but that's kind of what I'm kind of realizing. We'll see if this market shift continues, but volume hasn't been as accurate as it was before. So that's what I've always done. I've been trading for almost 10 years in May. So I'll just adapt. Whew. Oh. All right, let's see here. Damn, we don't have 50% retracement for a minute. Let's see if we can get a move back to like maybe like 100 area, a deeper tracement. This 2-bar already would have been broken. I don't really want to go back into here. So we'll see. Let's see if we can get. Oh, goodness. Took out pre-market high. Watch us have a reversal candle. Hope we get 100. We'll see. I'm watching for it. Oh, whoops. There we go. Huh. That'll be a bummer if they don't give us a pullback to where we wanted. We'll see. Let's see what they give us here. Damn, Brandon's up ended up working. We also have CPI tomorrow as well. Telling you, it's been a supply and demand market. It's kind of what I've been noticing when I watch every day in my back testing. Don't. My only rationale that we keep going up right now is that that's where the trend's at. But the trend hasn't really been working super well the last few weeks, last 2 weeks specifically. So I'm not fully convinced. Only dreaming that you're missing me. Away. I've been thinking about you every day. I gotta go here soon too. I just think until we break this range. We gotta break this range. Waiting here by the phone. The pictures. That's what I was wanting to happen, just a little lower. Almost got to this buy zone on here. Not quite. Don't. Oh boy. Well, on the bright side, the Tradeify select accounts are still up. On the downside, live account's been crying a little bit. So close to my bounce area. Literally so close. What, 18 points? 18 points. That's foul. Kept it small, Prammy, though. That's what's up. It's a win. I know that tomorrow or the next day I'm catching a nice, big, juicy, full-size winner. Watch. I'm going to catch one full-size winner that's going to put me green on both weeks. We will silence the haters. We will silence them. They've had plenty of fuel the last week. Oh, I got some haters, but that's all right. It means we're doing something right. Keep on dancing. Yeah. Keep on dashing. Technically is a 2-bar too again. Dancing. Well, looks like an okay 2-bar. It is 2-bar area. Let me check my email. We tested down into that into that 2-bar. We'll see if it goes. Still think there is a possibility this is our higher low, but I got to get off. I have some responsibilities today that I got to take care of. I got adult stuff to do. I've been saying it all morning. I had to get off by 9:30. I was supposed to get off at 9. Stuck around a little longer, but the only potential upside setup I see here is longs here with stops below this 120. But we haven't really had a lot of trend follow through in the last week. See, this is what I'd watch though. Again, I'm done trading for the day. I got to leave. So only last set of 2-bar I'd see here. I wanted to see this 100 area. This was my ideal bounce spot earlier, but we bounced 18 points early. So, all right, y'all. We'll be back on tomorrow. 880 red on the day. Kept it small. Hopefully CPI can give us a break out of this range to the upside or the downside. So trade smart, trade safe. Choose DOD. Thank you guys for being a part of the community. You guys are learners. You guys are DOD traders, not signal takers. Please remember that. Adios. Peace. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.